Court Association of Symbiosis Law School Nagpur can proudly boast of organizing several national moot court competitions. We got the opportunity of collaborating with prominent statutory bodies like Maharashtra State Biodiversity Board, Competition Commission of India and National Human Rights Commission while organizing these competitions. The Moot Court Association also organizes internal moot court competitions, freshers moot court competitions and memorial drafting competitions every year to inculcate mooting skills amongst the students. The robust mooting culture at Symbiosis Law School Nagpur is evident from the accolades that our students have received from participating in various national and international moot court competitions. Apart from the infrastructural facilities required for developing mooting culture, the students also receive valuable advice and feedback from the faculty members of the institute who guide them and encourage them throughout their pursuit of striving for excellence in the field of mooting.